right, we got it installed. Little bit of a pain on this side, but we got it cut in there and where it mounts up to the subframe, and doesn't have any bolts here. But I think I'm gonna I got some rubber, big thick rubber bushings. I think I'm gonna figure out how to put one here and one there, and drill a hole through it, but to where the rubber will touch this, and it'll help keep this from, you know, pushing down on it. But I don't know, we'll see. I'm not going to put a whole lot of weight back anyways. My bags are going to go right here, and then the little duffel bag, small one, may go here, so it'll probably be just fine. But anyways, other than just a little bit of a headache on that side, it mounted fairly easy. The instructions were good from Rocky Mountain ATV MC. So now we're going to put on our Tusk bags, get that on there. And now I can anchor to these a lot better, how you're supposed to. So that'll be good. She's coming together.